everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine. I, Miss Pinky, welcome you all to the RKP online classes. Students, today we are going to start our first chapter, okay? And that is knowing our numbers. Numbers. What are numbers? Numbers are very useful in our daily life. For counting, we use numbers, okay? If we want to count these notebooks, okay, then 1 2 3 4, so here we are using numbers. And if we want to count these markers, then also we use numbers, okay. And here I'm having some bangles also, okay. If we want to count these bangles, then also we use numbers. So numbers are very useful in our daily life. And today we will study about numbers. Now let us start. First of all, let us see what are digits. Okay. Students, to write the numbers, we use some symbols that are called digits. And these are the symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the digits. These are the symbols. Okay. और इनका यूज हम किसके लिए करते हैं? To write the numbers. And next is number. A single digit or a group of digits. A single digit or a group of digits is called number. Okay. For example, 7, 8, 98, 765, etc. Okay. These are the numbers. And next is counting number or natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. These are called natural numbers. Okay. For counting, we use these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. These are called natural numbers or counting numbers. And next is whole numbers. Whole numbers start from 0. Okay. Natural numbers start from 1, but whole numbers start from 0. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. These are called whole numbers. And next is numeration. What is the meaning of numeration? Writing numbers in words is called numeration. Writing numbers in words is called numeration. And there are two systems of numeration. First is Indian system of numeration and next is international system of numeration. और इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन जो बेटा, इसको हम और क्या कहते हैं? हिंदू अरेबिक सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन. ओके. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस सी द बोथ सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन. ओके. फर्स्ट इज इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम एंड नेक्स्ट इज इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम. Here beta, you can see I have written ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Okay. And here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores. Okay. These are the periods and these are the places according to Indian place value system, or we can say these four are the families according to Indian place value system. You can say periods or families. Okay. We are having four families according to Indian place value system, and each family is having some members. Okay. So here in this family, means in one's family, there are three members, there are three places, and that are ones, tens, 100. Okay. And in thousands family, we are having only two members, and that are thousands and 10,000s. And in lakhs family, we are having only two members, lakhs and 10 lakhs. And in crores family also, we are having only two members, crore and 10 crores. Only in one's family, here three members. Okay. Other all are having only two members. Okay. Or we can say we are having four periods and In ones period, we are having 3 places. In thousands period, we are having 2 places. In lakhs period, we are having 2 places. And in crores periods also, we are having 2 places. Okay. Now, let us see international place value system. Here also, beta. Here also, we are having periods and places. Or we can say, we are having families and members. But here, in this, you can see, we are having only 3 families. We are having only 3 periods. Okay. And here, each family is having 3 members. Here, only one's family is having 3 members. Other all are having 2 members. But here, according to international place value system, here each family is having 3 members. Okay. Once, here you can see once. Okay. In ones period, we are having 3 places. Ones, tens, hundreds. And here also ones, tens, hundred. So both are same. Now comes in next period, next family. And next is thousands family. Okay. In this family beta, we are having 3 members. 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. But according to Indian place value system, in thousands period, in thousands family, we are having only 2 members. We are having only 2 places. But according to international place value system, here we are having 3 members. 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. And next is millions. Okay. Next period, next family is millions. Okay. And here also we are having 3 members. Million, 10 millions and 100 millions. Means we can say according to international place value system, each family or you can say each period is having 3 members. 3 places. Okay. And according to Indian place value system, only one's family is having 3 members. Only one's period is having 3 places and all other having only 2 members. Okay. Now students, let us see how we put a number in the place value chart and how we put the commas and how can we read the number according to both systems. Okay. Here I have written 2 numbers beta. Okay. So now let us take first number. Here now we put this number in the place value chart. Okay. In this place value chart. So here is written 4. Then 3, then 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. Okay. We always start writing from the right side. So here first we will write 4. So 4 will come in the ones place. And next is 3. So 3 will come in the tens place. Next is 1. Next is 5. Next is 6. And next is 7. Then 8. Then 7. So like this we have to write the number. Write any number in the place value chart. Now let us see how can we put the commas beta. Okay. How can we put the commas? After completing one period. After completing one family, we put the commas. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, ones, tens, 100. These all are the members of one's family. Okay. So where we put the comma? Here. After completing this period, we put the first comma. Then after completing second period, okay, and you know here we are having only 2 digits. Here we are having only 2 places in this period, in this family. So after completing this period beta, we will put the second comma. Then again after these means after this period, after completing this period, we will put the next comma. Okay. So now let us see how can we read it. How can we read the number? We always start writing from the right side, but we always start reading from the left side. Okay. So now let us start. Here in this period, we are having only 7. In this period, we are having only 7. So how can we read this number beta? First we read 7. Then 7. Here comma. For this comma, we read the name of the period. We read the name of the family. Okay. And this 7 comes in the crores period. So we will read that 7 crores. 7 crores. 87 lakhs. In this period, we are having only 87. So 87 then lakhs. 65 thousands and 134. Okay. Again, I am telling 7 crores, 87 lakhs, 65 thousands, 134. Okay. Now let us write the same number in the international place value system also. Okay. So here also we always start writing from the right side. So we will write here 4, then 3, then 1, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 7. Okay. Now let us put the comma. So here also after completing one period, we will put the comma. So first period is one's period. First family is one's family. So after completing it, we will put the first comma. Then after completing second period, we will put next comma, and then we are having millions period. Okay. And you know, in according to international place value system, we are having only 3 families. We are having only 3 periods, and each is having 3 members. Each is having 3 places. Okay. So now let us see how can we read it according to international place value system. Here beta, we start reading from the left side. So here, check in this period. We are having 78. Okay. So we will read 78 millions. 78 millions means first we will read the number in that period and then name of the period. Okay. So 78 millions. Next 765. In this period we are having 765. So we will read it 765 thousands. 78 millions 765 thousands 134. Okay. We will not read the name of this period. Okay. We will read only 134. Let us read again. 78 millions 765 thousands 134. Now let us write the second number also. Here we are having 3, 5, 6, then 5, 7, 8, 9 and then 6. So first we will put the comma. After completing one period, after completing this ones period, we will put first comma. Then after completing thousands period, we will put second comma. Then after completing third period, we will put next comma. Okay. So now in this period we are having only 6. In this 98, in this 75, in this 653. So how can we read it? 6 crores 98 lakhs 75 thousands and 653. Okay. Now beta, let us write the same number in this also. So again we will write here 3, 5, 6, 5, 7, 8, 9 and then 6. Now we will put the comma. So after completing ones period, we will put first comma. Then after completing thousands period, we will put next comma. And now our last period. Okay, that is millions period. So now let us see how can we read it. 69. In this period we are having 69. In this we are having 875. In this period we are having 653. So first we read the number. Okay, and then we read the name of the period. So 69 millions 875 thousands 653. 3. Okay, let us read again. 69,875,653. Okay, so we have to put the commas according to periods. After completing one period, we have to put the comma. Okay, after completing second period, then again we have to put the comma. So here you can see, according to Indian place value system, first comma will come after 3 digit, then after 2 digit, then after 2 digit. Because according to Indian place value system, we are having 3 digits in the once period, and after that we are having only two digits. Okay, so if we want to put the here, we want to put commas here, then 1 2 3, leave 3 digit, then only 1 2, 1 2, then 1 2. So like this we have to put the commas in a number. And according to, if we want to put the comma according to international place value system, then first comma will come after 3 digit, after 3 digit. Again next comma also after 3 digits, 1 2 3 3, like this. Okay, so like this we have to put the commas according to Indian place value system, and like this we have to put the comma according to international place value system. Okay,